Hello everyone, today, I'll guide you through connecting Tableau to your Salesforce data. Click on link in description to get 30-day free trial or book a demo. Step 1. Access Windsor.ai. Go to Windsor.ai and click Get Started or Start a free trial if you're new. If you already have an account, log in at Windsor.ai. Step 2. Select Salesforce. In the left panel, you'll see Platforms. Select Salesforce. Step 3. Grant access. Allow Windsor to access your Salesforce account by granting required permissions. Step 4. Create Windsor account. Select your newly added account and create a Windsor account, free trial for 30 days. Step 5. Data Preview. Click Data Preview and add fields from your Salesforce data. For this example, I'll choose campaign-related fields. Step 6. Choose destination. Select Tableau as your destination, multiple options available. Step 7. Connect Tableau. Follow instructions to connect Tableau to Insert.ai, enter Tableau.windsor.ai in Tableau's Web Data Connector, copy the URL and select fields. Step 8. Analyze data. Create a sheet in Tableau and analyze your Salesforce data. Visualize campaign spending using a bullet graph. Click on link in description to get 30-day free trial or book a demo. Thank you.